are facing frustration. What to say about this fancy term? Today morning, my mom asked me to fill water bottles, make bed, arrange school books. Just see how less time consuming and simple tasks are those. But guess my response. I got frustrated. See, most of us are struggling with frustration. Today, I'm going to share some thought on the topic frustration. Well, frustration is not a simple topic. It is too dangerous. It can start from emotional stress. When bullies pick on you, naturally a sense of fear and disliking forms in your brain. This constant bullying can soon turn into frustration of thoughts about thinking, how can I avoid these people? These will all lead to mild cases of frustration. Another way of picking up frustration is if you are doing badly at work and you are under the threat of getting fired. This is another example of getting frustrated. So, today I have shared you some thoughts on frustration. Have a nice day. Frustration. Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a very common emotion which most of us are facing. Frustration.